So let's assume you've given some thought to it, and you now have a huge list of your adaptive, transferable, and job-related skills. What do you do with it? For starters, you can identify your power skills. These are the skills from your list that have led to past accomplishments. They are essentially your best skills, the ones you have spent the most time perfecting, or the ones that you have natural talent for. As such, they are probably the ones you enjoy using the most.
We all have literally hundreds of things we can do on the job. We can all answer a phone, add two numbers together, schedule a meeting, use a copy machine, but you need to have a few special abilities that set you apart. It's important for you to recognize the things that you do really well and that you enjoy doing, and then find a way to make them part of the next job. Look for work where those skills are valued, and then be sure to emphasize them throughout a job search.
It's not enough to simply print a list of skills, hand it to an employer and say, hey, look what I can do. You need to show how you've used those skills to accomplish something. You need to give examples of those skills in action. Tell a story, back it up with facts and figures. If your skills have led to awards or professional recognition, let the employer know. Anyone can say that they're good at something. You need to show it.
How can somebody get those skills across to an employer? You know, the best thing that people can do in this whole transition process is to demonstrate that you can do the work. So many times when people are networking or they're interviewing, they're trying to tell people how well they can do a job. And what they need to stop doing is stop talking and start showing. So if you've got somebody that, or let's say that you're going to get hired for a position that requires doing a lot of Excel spreadsheets, sit down in front of that networking contact or sit down in front of that employer and show them how you can manipulate all of those cells and how you can create the formulas. If you don't have a chance to get in front of people, the other thing that you can do is get videotape of you doing that work, or maybe it's an audio or something that you can put onto the internet. You can put it onto a site like www.visualcv.com, or you can post it onto a Facebook page or post it onto your LinkedIn profile, so people can actually see samples of you doing the job. That will take you yards ahead of other people who are just trying to tell employers, I can do the job.
By identifying your best skills and thinking of accomplishments they've led to, you have developed a skills language, a new way of thinking and talking about yourself as a worker. This is a language you will use throughout your job search. Your skills and examples will find their way into your resumes and cover letters, job applications, and just about every answer you give during an interview. Being able to talk effectively about your skills is a key first step in conducting a quick and successful job search.
You can always count on me to come to work on time every day. I believe in getting right to work so that I can get everything done and maybe even have time to get a head start on tomorrow's work. I know how to manage my time effectively, and I'm very well organized, so I tend to be very efficient.
Actually, I get along very well with people, coworkers, supervisors, customers, everyone. I've been told I'm an excellent team player with great communication skills, and I understand how to keep a group motivated and focused to get the job done. And whether I'm working by myself or in a group, I pay attention to the details. I know when to ask questions, and I'm not afraid to offer creative solutions to problems when they arise.
Those are just a couple of examples of this new skills language at work. Of course, you will have your own unique set of skills to emphasize, and you should take every opportunity you can to do so. So let's take this opportunity to review what we've learned in this video. Your skills can be categorized into three types. Adaptive skills are the personality traits or characteristics that help you to succeed every day and are usually the ones most valued by employers. Your transferable skills are more generalized skills that are useful across a wide variety of jobs and industries. Job-related skills are specific skills you've learned as a part of your education or work experience that apply to your field. Your unique set of skills is what sets you apart from every other job seeker. Your skills define what you are best at and what you enjoy doing. But most people don't even realize all the skills they have. Understanding your skills and being able to communicate those skills to an employer is essential to your job search success. Your skills will help you get a job and excel at it. but they can also help you choose what kinds of work would be best for you. In the next video, we look at several other factors that play into this choice. But for now, take a moment and think about what you are good at and how you can use these skills to convince an employer that you are right for the job.